So now that we understand what manufacturing right is, I wanted to take some time to dive into why NetSuite is such a great option for manufacturers. First, NetSuite's industry-leading cloud program is the best choice for manufacturers looking for a complete software that connects inventory, production, order management, and financials all under the same solution. Next, NetSuite's functionality is extremely robust, ranging from those core tasks such as production tracking and component usage to some of those more advanced modules, allowing companies to gain a full grasp into their inventory and shop floor, such as a warehouse management system and some of the more advanced planning tools such as finite capacity planning. Additionally, NetSuite is an extremely customizable solution, allowing businesses to really match those specific operations and requirements, again, all into a full suite ERP. Finally, one of the best features of NetSuite, in my opinion, is the fact that it's an extremely scalable solution, allowing companies to stay ahead of the curve with industry-changing standards, as well as growing their operations. If I wanted to highlight all of NetSuite's great features, I could go on, but for today, I just want to highlight some of those core functions and modules that our clients utilize to help track their production operations as well as their inventory. So first, relating to inventory tracking is NetSuite's lot and serial traceability. So for those companies who segment their inventory into lots, batches, or serial numbers, NetSuite provides managers the visibility to know exactly which shipment, batch, or serial number is being utilized in the manufacturing process, or even when it's fulfilled on a sales order. This then leads to more accurate inventory and reduced waste. And again, NetSuite makes it extremely simple to view. So as you can see here, I simply enter in an item and a specific lot. In this case, it's the mini logo wheel, lot number 032026-001. And NetSuite will show me all the transactions where this lot was consumed, how much was consumed, and when that transaction occurred. Again, a very powerful tool to understand where your specific inventory is being used, when it's used, and especially if there are any quality control concerns for a given item. The next core feature I want to highlight here relates to product costing through NetSuite's costed bill of materials, which allows production managers to really track and view their material cost as well as any additional labor or machine costs that are incurred during the production process. So not only can they view their current assembly cost to produce, but they can also perform simulations and alter the cost of raw materials or labor if they were to increase. Again, providing manufacturers the visibility into their operations, and that way they can make any informed decisions as necessary. As I mentioned before, NetSuite has functionality ranging from those core processes to some of the more advanced nice-to-have features. And one of those features I want to highlight today relates to work in process tracking. So if a company is producing finished goods through a multi-step process, NetSuite's work in process module allows for them to track the product as it makes its way through each stage in the production line. And as you can see here, this skateboard goes through 4 separate operations, beginning with the deck assembly and finishing with the wheel test. And NetSuite allows our operators to report the completion of each step so that our production manager can see exactly where in the process this skateboard is at any given moment. Additionally, the work in process module also allows for operators to track their time spent at each operation, ultimately allowing us to capture actual throughput as well as the opportunity to assign rates to each operation, thus resulting in actual labor costs and ultimately a more accurate product cost. Again, these are key features for companies who are trying to take that next step into operation tracking and item costing. The last nice-to-have feature I want to highlight today is NetSuite's Material Resource Planning Engine and Workbench, which assists planners on how to balance their supply and demand in an extremely user-friendly screen and interface. Using real-time on-hand quantities, forecasted demand, and open orders, NetSuite MRP will suggest purchase orders, work orders, and even transfer orders to ensure that we always have a sufficient inventory to meet demand. NetSuite MRP will even send alerts if they see an imbalance of supply in the future. This then results in reduced stockouts and making sure that our planners always have their arms around future supply and demand. So as you can see, NetSuite offers a wide range of functionality, from those core functions necessary to track our operations to some of those more advanced features, allowing companies to really grab a hold of their shop floor and warehouse and properly plan for the future.